Hi, readers. Welcome back to Reading Workshop. Before you continue watching, there are two things I'm going to ask that you've done. The first thing I want to make sure that you do is to pick out a new book to read. This should be a fiction book. It can be realistic fiction, fantasy, historical fiction, any kind of story, but not a mystery. The second thing you need to do is watch the video Hair Love. If you haven't done those things yet, pause the video, do them, and come on back. If you have done them, we can keep talking. So readers, you might be thinking to yourself, why would Alyssa ask me to get a new book that's not a mystery and to watch a video? It's not even a mystery. Are you a little suspicious? Are you a little bit suspicious of me? Well, readers, today I want to teach you something kind of big. Readers, today I want to teach you that a reason a mystery reader works so hard to become skilled is because the way a person reads a mystery well is actually the way a person reads any fiction book well. So I'm wondering, can we keep revising our chart together to think it didn't just help us with mysteries? Could it help us read any kind of fiction? So think back to when you were watching Hair Love. Think back to ideas you were having, what you did when you were watching. What were you paying attention to? And let's see if we can use those ideas that we had to name the strategies we used. So ask what the mystery here is. Well, I know when I was watching, one of the first things I was thinking at the beginning is like, what's the problem here? So maybe I could change the word mystery to problem. Ask who's the crime solver. Well, there was no crime solver because it wasn't a mystery. But I was trying to figure out a lot about the little girl Zuri. So maybe I want to say, who is the main character? Pause the video here and do some thinking. How might you revise our chart? Readers, were you thinking things like pay attention to clues and maybe we could change it to this about the characters? You were probably thinking, well, we could totally predict Alyssa in fiction books, but not really about suspects. So maybe we can change the prediction strategy to sound something like this. Predict drawing on all you know about the character. Take action when parts get tricky. Well, we can do that in any kind of book. I know when I was watching the video, there was a part where I was a little bit confused, so I went back and rewatched. That was me taking action when parts get tricky. Pause to retell, we can do that anytime. Think about how mystery books go. Well, we definitely have to revise our chart here. Look out for red herring clues. Well, I'm thinking red herring clues. There are no red herrings inside fiction, only in mysteries. So maybe we could change this to look out for clues about a character's hidden sides. Ask what mind work is the text signaling me to do? Yeah. Fiction books are going to tell us how they want to be read. So this is kind of amazing, readers. We've used all that we knew about mystery reading to help us think about any kind of story. Look back at this chart. Perhaps you even want to pause the video and make your own version of this chart as a tool to keep nearby. And make a work plan for today as you start your new book. Think about all the strategies you could be trying out in this new book. As always, you could be sketching about your reading, writing about your reading, even talking about your reading. No matter what you choose to do, find a way to record your best thinking work. Enjoy your new books, everybody.